How to combine photos together on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Shortcuts app. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app, you can head towards App Store, search for the app Shortcuts and then download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. Now here, at the bottom, you're going to find a fun option. Navigate to the option Shortcut. Then click on the plus icon given at the top right corner. Now press and hold on this option. New shortcut. Now give a name to your shortcut. I'm gonna give it as combine. Then at the bottom you're gonna see the search box. Over here type in select photos. After option appears, click on it. Now click on this arrow and enable for the option of select multiple. Again in the search box type in combine images. Once option appears, click on it. Now select whether you wanna combine photos horizontally, vertically in a grid. After you select it, now again in the search box type in save to photos. After option appears, click on it. Now I can click on done. You have just created shortcut. Now I can press and hold on the shortcut. Then click on the option details. Then click on the option add to home screen. From here you can customize the color for the shortcut. Then you can click on done. Now I can click on the shortcut combine. With that your gallery will open up. Now select the picture that you want to combine, click on add. With that you will be able to find those pictures in your Photos app. Launch it and check. So this is how you can easily combine photos together on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.